James Perry, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this stunning mint condition 181 BMW 1 Series 116D Sport 5-door. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the aerodynamic body kit. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top, the rear spoiler. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 116D badging, the rear LED taillights. You pop open the trunk. You also have collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. Now folks, let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 116D. So now that we're inside folks, you can see the multifunctional BMW Sport steering wheel with the red stitch, the automatic transmission. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode and eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice with features such as media and radio, enhanced Bluetooth, connective drive, my vehicle, sat-nav navigation and many other extras. You have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly access the BMW teleservice. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark black trim finish, surrounded by a sports red trim. It's a keyless push button start ignition. On board you also have the BMW SOS service system, fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, real-time traffic information, the armrest, the sports package and many other extras. Yeah folks, that's just a quick look around this 181 BMW 1 Series 116D Sports 5-door. If you have any question about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.